Well, the dolphin fell off. I think the thing still works, it's just there's no dolphin.
How do you break the dolphin off?
I don't know, maybe she's very lonely.
BCV.
Oh my god.
Japan, the video game! Alright, this is moment, that's graffiti, we're done. Let's do this. This is BCV, Battle Construction Pickles.
Holy shit.
This is Japanese as fuck. Versus.
Oh my Christ.
You only have two.
What?
You can either be Old Japan
Old
or
Japan.
New Japan.
I'm Old Japan.
Alright, I'll be New Japan. Alright,
Yeah.
I haven't unlocked anything. That's good.
Awesome.
BCV.
Okay.
Oh, it's really British voices again. Start.
Oh.
What? Can't move?
What?
Oh, it's on the D-pad, not the sticks.
Oh. Hang on. What is that? What's happening?
I don't know, I can't actually use my crane.
I can't. I have no idea.
The crane doesn't go up and down, all I'm going to do is make girders of it.
Which one am I now? I don't even know.
Oh, squares now. Okay, this makes no
Is
sense. The crane doesn't go... The crane doesn't open up, I just hit you with the really weak part.
Can I hit you? Do I have an attack?
No, fuck off. Don't hit me.
What the fuck is going on?
Don't know. Let's go, Japan! I can't drive. View keeps changing, as does my controls.
Whoa!
What?
I think I just attacked.
Do a thing? What opened up?
Crane sword blade.
What?
Face.
Wow.
Forearm. Thrust.
What did you do?
Special attack.
How?
I pressed the special attack button.
There's a special attack button.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
I don't fucking know what I did.
What the fuck happened?
You expect me to
Did
explain
you just
that?
make love or something? What's going on?
What the Christ? It just moves of its own accord.
Just break the... Oh.
Right there. Goes right through me. Eat.
Are we even controlling it? Are we just watching a video and pressing buttons along with it? Because I have no idea what I just did. I just pressed square a lot. And apparently...
The only one that actually definitely does something every time is X, which does that.
Yeah.
But
no,
what is
square? Square attacks. Square
No, it
attacks.
doesn't.
Yeah, it is. Look, I
What?
opened up because I pressed square.
Yeah, but it just makes me do random things that I don't understand, which sometimes hurt you, I guess. Oh, I'm gonna die for some reason. Look, see, it just goes up sometimes. That's my attack, is it? That's an attack. See me attacking? This is square when you're the crane. Oh,
Oh, you hit me.
I guess.
You stopped my attack.
Oh, I extended by pressing square. Square just does anything and everything, but you don't get to pick what. It just does
I
something.
killed you.
Fail one.
Player one. One.
Player 1-1.
Ha!
Player
And
11.
let's go to player 1-2. That's the free to play
Did you
levels.
just see my wheels?
That's in the caverns.
My wheels were turning,
Do-do-do-do-do.
but
Yeah, because you're an old man.
from a different
Yeah, because you're an old man.
from a different axis.
Because you're an old man.
Don't.
Let's do story mode. Is there a Japanese filter? Can we turn it off?
BCV.
They say they.
What?
Why does this exist?
I don't
Why does
know.
someone say, "Hey, I know it won't make a good game"?
It cost £1.
Hmm.
It was 99 pence.
99 pence too much.
Oh, we got an
Wow,
anime.
Anime. Go anime.
Ah!
Ah, the sun.
Ah!
Oh.
It's gonna power up.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
what? That's not how.
You're tough,
The world
Gramps. Listen to me. You must succeed your father. I beg you, young master.
Shut it. Gramps, I left because I didn't want to do just that. So he's dead. Still no reason to change my mind. Whoa, watch it. He's Easy there, Gramps.
This is the
okay?
best dubbing I've ever seen.
Young master.
For all I can understand, they could just be going Japan, 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 Japan,
Young master,
Japan.
All the factories round here have been taken by Shirabe, and we have nothing left.
Oh.
Is that so? It still has nothing to
Why is
do
his
with
eyebrows black,
You're wrong.
but his hair red?
Young master,
Why is any of this?
you are the only son of the construction tiger Danjuro Congo.
Oh, that makes
Still
perfect
drive
sense.
heavy
Oh, I
vehicles,
get it.
sleeps within
I
you.
understand this now.
Wow.
Will you just let it slumber your entire life? Master Hayato!
A new boss is born. This is awesome.
Metal Gear?
This is great. I'm serious, this is fantastic. Is there more anime? Fucking love
Yeah.
anime.
You like anime? Shut your face.
I don't like anime. Oh.
I like it when it makes sense.
When does it... when is that?
Some of it makes sense. I've got a whole fucking pile of it over there.
You do.
I'll mock it all I want. But
Look
yeah,
into my
I'll
eyes
still-
and listen
I'll
up
still
good.
Watch and read it.
Yes. Live your life well and
He
good
turns
things will
smug.
happen. Look after your health, live happily. Now it's badly translated.
He looks a bit like Brock Sampson with that face. I can see it.
They hit me with a truck.
Live your life well and good things will happen. Look after your health. Live happily.
What do you?
Well, take care. I'm off looking for a job.
Take care, young master. You are not going to continue the Congo family line. Look at my teeth.
Why? I left here in the first place because I didn't want to.
This just happened.
Pops was Pops, and I'm me. I'll find my own job and my
This
own life.
just happened in the cutscene.
Farewell. We won't meet again.
Young master.
What now?
A crane!
Oh. Well, so you're in it, I guess? You're still not giving up, Danora?
Young master, leave here over my aged corpse or not at all. Kill me.
You're in a crane! Who's more likely to get killed here? Also, I'm smug. I'll tell you two things. One, I like a quiet, loving, long-haired, well-proportioned woman more than 3 meals a day. That has everything to do with building and construction. Two, I hate a crazy, balding, toothless, bespectacled, dumb and rampaging old pensioner more than a dip in raw sewage.
Fascinating.
He's got away with words.
Likes.
Also, he's just...
Dislikes.
Also, he's a smug prick and I hate
Long
him.
walks on the beach. Well-portioned women. Dislikes. Toothless
Fucking
old
some
men.
meals.
Sewage.
Metal Gear.
Construction companies.
What?
Making any sense.
Oh, I'm in a bulldozer. What do I do now?
See, look, he doesn't even know how to use the fucking crane. The crane is a hard thing
Woo! Oh yeah.
to... Is that a shield?
Guess.
He doesn't know how to attack you. The crane is shit.
We'll just keep ramming you then. Oh, I only do damage if I press square. Yeah, I appear to do nothing other.
This looks strangely close to another game we recently played.
What's that?
Just two machines ramming each other.
Oh.
Trying in
Oh,
vain
what?
to hit each other with their weapons.
God damn it.
Okay, this
He
looks
did-
like nothing I've ever
He
seen.
didn't.
This doesn't look anything like
This isn't
anything.
Craig Charles.
You're equal damage
You
now.
prick! You stupid old gump! Damn it! I was winning! Let's charge up. Power up!
What are you doing?
Iron supplement.
What?
I don't know, but...
Iron supplement.
How's that?
I turned you into a cube! Fuck you!
That made
Oh, he's
perfect
gonna do his
sense.
special attack. Get out!
Rain
Oh.
sword blade.
Crane sword blade.
Forearm.
I'm an old man.
Is he Jimmy Savile now? And no...
So waddy waddy.
Oh, so waddy waddy.
Great.
Power up!
Anticlimax.
I did it!
Yeah! Bulldozers do not work that way. Good night.
Do we have to keep reading it? I can't be asked to read it, can I just skip it?
I wanna read it. It's fucking.
What's this? I can't
You don't
remember
have to
what
read
voice
it
I
out
did.
loud. Just...
What's this feeling? My blood is boiling up!
Your true fuck, I'm not
Alright,
reading
yeah.
that.
Machinery's in your blood. I can do this. Then your master, Congo name. Yeah, Gramps,
I'm gonna do it.
Wow!
Whoa!
Oh, then again, maybe not, you old codger.
What?
I'm good as fighting in heavy machinery to running a company. Okay, I guess it will fit in somehow.
That's a very good point, but then you just ruined it.
So, the blood's still boiling in my veins. I'll become head of the... Oh, okay. Gather a crew. Yeah, start work again. Crew, need crew. That person's name is likely to overlook us. Need to stop us. Crew must be able to handle that. I guess you have a point. What do those guys have against us anyway? Do they hate us? They can wait for another time. He's located a man who may join our crew. Japanese man, the machinery prince. Sounds like quite a guy. Indeed he is. His name's 20 million characters long. Yeah, it's quite a guy. We don't think we would better be looking for his father. Because we have a dad complex or something. Yep. Japan. Old man. Japan.
I don't know what's happening.
Oh.
Yep.
Butterflies. Bees.
Wasps.
Butterflies.
And wasp.
And then they fuck.
Was I supposed to be able to understand that?
I'm as light as a feather today.
Congratulations.
Good workout.
I'm waiting for all the tentacles to appear. Is that Masu Bayayama? Is it Masu? Masu Bayayama.
Look at his
Got a
face.
difficult voice. Anyway, he's smug.
I don't
He's
think
Brock
Crown or
Samson.
anything.
That's his Brock Samson face. He's ready to kill people.
We are not looking for a fight. That's the whole point of the game.
You're that guy. Who are you? Just give me your birthday address and work permit number. That's a joke.
Dot.
Oh, the first member of our crew.
First member of the DK crew.
Donkey Kong. DK.
Donkey Kong is here.
Yeah. Can we get the woman now? Get her to join us. Oh, she's angry.
That's a woman.
No, it's
What?
just been a dick.
Oh.
Well, I figured out if you keep getting hit, that rope thing gets more taut, and I think you can do a. Oh, that's cool. Can't see me. And then you get to do a special attack thing if it's still in that radius.
Oh. Wow.
Did you hit him?
You hit that building pretty hard.
Oh, brilliant! Fuck you, elderly couple who live here.
This is thrilling. Wow.
Well, I hit it. Fuck you.
Press square.
I'm pressing square. It's all been pressing.
Clearly you're not pressing it hard enough. Oh, now you have triangles. That's handy.
Grand Slam Homer.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Pretty wacky. Bye then.
What?
I don't know. Stop asking me.
Japan? Japan.
Oh.
Japan.
Japan.
What are you doing?
I don't know. It keeps fucking up. It's going this mound of dirt.
Japan might be my least favourite country. What is happening? Why is this happening?
We're yeah.
How is this beneficial to your company?
I need to see whether or not it gets.
You're destroying all your equipment.
No. Fuck.
Dancing Needle.
He's gonna win because of the timeout, and he's got more damage on me now.
Oh
Fucking
my
evil.
god. Oh, no.
Shut up. Come on. You can't do it again!
You son of a bitch.
Hell yeah, I won. Time up. Congo. Woo! Fuck.
Congo
What?
lost.
I have more damage on him. He's rope break.
What? See, look at your wheel. What is that? You see, it's
I
turning
actually
on,
lost.
It's turning on the wrong axis.
I have to kill him in the stupid time limit. Even though I have no idea what the fuck's going on. And there's no instruction manual. I don't think. Is there an instruction manual?
I think so for that one. Let me read that.
Try and
I'll teach you the game.
Try and make sense.
Doesn't look anything like that.
Yeah, it does. It's an anime.
No. In-game controls. That's all pretty straightforward. Left side attack, guard, front attack. Triangle is front attack.
What?
Oh, circle and... That's wrong. Circle and square are side attacks, left and right. That ain't right.
No, this won't make sense.
But that wasn't
That's why
happening in
that's why it
two-player.
kept turning.
What the fucking hell? This manual has 5 pages. Nope, 4.
No, you can't get away from it. You hit them, they do a special attack. Their special attack puts you in enough damage that you get to do your one. Repeat ad infinitum. Ad infinitum. Ad infinitum.
Infinitum?
Infinitum, whatever, I don't care. I'm not Latin.
Oh, for fuck's sake. He gets it more often than you do.
Yeah, because I keep hitting him. This is bullshit.
The more you win...
The moment he gets his special attack, he completely negates the fact that I'm bigger than him
and you're winning.
and stronger and can actually push him normally, and he just completely fucks me over and just pushes me away.
The more you win, the more you lose.
Yeah.
That's how this game works. Maybe just sit there and take damage, and then he'll beat you up.
Oh, I'm getting mine now.
So is he. Quite faster. He's
Yeah.
nearly done.
Oh, and he dropped he just dropped a lamppost on me. Fantastic.
Wonderful. Did way too much damage. Whack him. Show him what
Trying.
for. What just happened? Was that good?
I don't know. This game's bullshit. I might as well just let him hit me. And let the fucking special attack sort it out.
You've died.
Yeah. I hate shit games like that. I hate games that they make me lose. I hate losing. I'm the worst loser ever. This game was a person who'd broken its fucking nose by now.
You're a bad loser.
I hate fucking losing!
It's not the end of the world, buddy.
I hate it. I wanted to win. I was fucking winning. This game's bullshit.
Just sit there and take damage. Just see what happens. See if you can
There
win.
wasn't even any point in me pressing any of the fucking buttons. All I did was rub against him.
It worked somehow.
Oh look, dynamite.
Oh, can you pick it up? You are a crane. I'm just gonna ram that dynamite. What?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Best of 3.
What?
What?
I don't know, but he just regained health.
What just happened? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on,
Fuck
come
off.
on, come on. Come on, Mooms.
Do your fucking attack!
Aren't you on easy mode?
I am. Ow, I won.
Yeah.
I don't want you on my fucking crew. I want you to die.
Bad.
You ready for another meeting with Congo?
No! And fucking eject the disc into the sun. Fuck's sake.
You have to aim it quite well.
I'm enjoying the day, I guess.
Amateur, you just lost.
Well then, as promised, you work for me.
That's not
Spread
how
your
it
legs
works.
and let it in.
That's not how business works. The return of Beth. Hooray? Good old Beth, eh?
That's not Beth.
In a good mood.
It's out to meet someone.
Oh.
What's that you're clinging to? Let me see that. Postcard. King 3 of a girls' magazine. So who's it from? Uncy? It's not Unky.
Unky.
Is that Unky?
Yeah.
I thought it'd be an EY.
I don't know. It's not a real word.
Uncy Danora, I quit my unbearable job yesterday after reading your letter about the revival of the Congo crew.
What? A squeak of joy. Squeak!
I'm also a rodent.
He's not reading
Ten.
that.
It's just...
Hey, old timer!
Ah! I am so hungry!
I like girls!
Show us your tits!
Oh.
Oh, no tits. I guess Pops worked her pretty hard. I was waiting for this to turn into a hentai. Cute little Beth and a big old dozer.
Yeah, my job's to go pick her up. You know what I mean? Ah!
With his cock.
Yes. With
What?
his crane.
No, I don't want to work with him. Oh.
Oh. Oh no. Wow, that looks good. Do you? Why?
Step on up.
What?
He made him help him out.
Ah!
And now to fight, I
Ah! Yeah. Thanks for helping me. Now we must fight. Oh, gay. Oh.
guess. Huh? Beth? Beth Gouda.
Alright, so he's gay. That's the joke.
Beth
Oh.
joins the crew. And also
Good.
your anus.
What?
Oh, okay.
Why? What is happening?
I watched a cartoon. Save point. I think I deserve an achievement for that. 200 points.
So wild. I could fall
Block.
for you. I bet they shall.
It's a pretty
Oh.
muscly arm there. These jobs. Oh, it's villains.
Yeah.
It's the 18.
I'm driving a digger.
Okay, the beat.
What you gonna do, bitch?
Fair bidding process. Don't make me laugh. You there. Is this what you mean by fair? Huh? Huh?
What?
Ah.
Ah.
Uh-oh. You've been caught out, old
Pause.
man. They took pictures.
Man.
Man. What the fuck is that?
That's gonna sound odd on the recording.
He's a rodent, okay? No, he's a rodent makes when it eats. He's the capybara. That's not what the noise they make.
It's gonna sound the same.
That's the noise of your cock. No.
I'm not doing it.
And sound completely different.
On that they won't. That's a
They
piece
will.
of shit.
Yeah, but Aya has tits.
Haha. Yeah. Ah!
Hand on my
I'll have
body
to
so
fight
bad.
you.
Guess I'll have to fight you.
I want to have sex with you.
This
but
is how I pull women.
Why is Beth a boy? Someone please explain this to me. Is anyone Japanese?
If anyone's Japan, can you
If
explain
anyone's
this to us?
Japanese. Can you let me know what the
I
fuck
bet this
is up
game was made in
with
like.
your country?
I bet this game was just made in England.
Probably. This game could never be made anywhere
I
apart
just
from
watched too
Japan.
many episodes of Power Rangers. Got some weird ideas.
Dot dot dot. We might actually get angry. At the moment, we're just mildly perturbed. I'm really. What is it?
What?
I'm
No,
so happy.
No, it's the guy on the right, the guy on the left.
Yeah.
Not
Oh,
man's
okay.
not talking.
Ah!
He just has that face.
You got some work.
Hooray! What? Oh. I didn't skip that. That's cool.
Is this guy okay?
We have acquired work.
You deserved some holidays.
I deserve at least 9 after playing this.
Oh yes.
No bees or butterflies today. Is there something up with butterfly armor?
Now you mention it, I did actually say something about feeling ill this morning.
That's why we don't pay him well enough. I reckon he must have been forced to eat spoon. You know what your biggest problem is? It's an overactive imagination.
Oh wait, he's not in the digger. Who is it? Ah!
Hey there, who's driving that? Who are you? Get out of my machine!
a machine. Oh,
What a heap of junk.
plot
The
twist.
controls on this thing suck.
Plot twist, women can also drive.
No, they can't. Only in Japan. It's ridiculous. A favour? Yep,
Wow, she looks hot there.
I'm gonna work here. Right, so instead of just being able to work here... Oh, for fuck's sake.
He doesn't like plain looking girls. And also he doesn't like
He
photographs.
likes listing two things.
Always two things with this guy. Oh, I want that
So,
one, or I want that one. It's
The
always
last
the two
time you had to
things.
fight them in order to get them to work for you. This time she wants to work for you, but you have to fight them anyway.
I hate women.
I suppose Beth was the exception to rule. He just turned up. And said, yeah, I'll work for you now.
Can I come too?
And
Yeah, right.
another thing.
I have a stupid.
This is how I talk.
I have a stupid voice.
I'm a man.
I'm almost like Patrick the Starfish. From Smash Pop.
I know.
I don't know what you know. Am I in a forklift now?
Oh, you're in a...
Can I please be in the... Oh, I'm in the bulldozer! Hell yeah! Fuck you, bitch!
What are you going to do with a forklift? You can flip them.
I guess.
This is Robot Wars.
Come on. What?
What? Come on!
What?
Bullshit. What? What did you do?
Menopause? I don't know. Something happened then.
Oh, a cube appeared.
You're also
Take
now a
that.
cube.
I replaced your bulldozer with a cube. And I removed
How
you.
annoying for you!
It's
What?
back,
I hit
though.
it! Oh, fucking game. Do your stupid charge attack.
It just makes, when you get hurt a lot, it just makes your bulldozer look vaguely rusty. Vaguely? Or dirty, or just lumpy. It doesn't really look damaged. Oh, I'm in a hole. I'm a lady.
She's got two holes.
Yes. Good job. We're all very proud.
I'm proud of myself. Shut the fuck up.
She's
I'm so
actually
proud.
stuck.
Is she stuck? Ow, my
I don't
air
understand the
subroutine.
physics of this hole at all. She's just sort of flopping around in there.
It's like some sort of trout.
Don't fall in the hole.
Try not to. She's making it difficult. I'm trying to kill her, preferably.
Why did she agree to this fight? Why did they keep agreeing?
Because they're all idiots.
Yeah, don't fuck with Congo. Congo will fuck your shit up.
Or bulldoze that vagina. Just break that in.
You did well for an amateur, certainly. You want to... When did I ever see that? Why? I have my reasons.
Is she actually my sister or something?
Look at my gay hair. She has very gay hair. Right.
I didn't get to read any of that.
He fancies her and thinks that she fancies him.
Oh, okay.
And the old man says, "Oh, you sure are full of yourself."
She'll be full of me. Oh. That's how relationships work.
You know, I've heard women have two holes.
They do.
That's the rumour.
What?
Who's that?
I don't know. Bandana man.
Oh, so everyone in this crazy world.
Is a dickhead.
Oh no!
He's here, don't tell the president about this. Not the president.
Why is it called Beth? That's not a boy's name.
Yeah, it is.
Do you think they picked like a unisex name in the Japanese version?
Why is his hair now brown instead of red?
I don't know. Must be him.
You have a thing for robbing people.
Man. Oh, wow.
Oh well.
Huh? 20th company. That means you win a prize. You're
Oh.
so clever.
Oh, that was dumb. I'm
Good
gonna
job.
lose on purpose now.
Just on principle. Fuck you, I forgot his name. Hayachi? Heihachi?
He's not the old man from Tekken.
Hayagi? Mr. Miyagi?
Mr. Miyagi.
What is his name? It was just on
Halitosis.
screen a second. Halitosis, yeah, that's it.
That's not his name. I
Hillary.
tricked you.
Hilda.
Hildegard.
Horrid Henry.
BCV. Stop.
Why am I still playing this?
I don't know, this is
Where's the
amazing.
bulldozer again?
We've been playing this for so long. Let's see him.
Steamroller.
Oh, yeah. Fuck are you gonna do with a steamroller, knob?
Well, if I was not in a machine, it'd be quite useful to crush a person.
Yeah.
As it stands.
If you were not in a machine,
Why has he done
all
more
of these
damage to me? What the fuck? What I've done is hit him.
He flattened your your thing slightly. Your family.
Look, he did it again.
He's magic.
Is he supposed to win or something? Am I supposed to face humility? Or am I just going to get kept run over? Come on. Ow. He's not doing any attacks. He's not charging or anything. Fuck you, game.
Oh. Steamrollers don't work that way. Steamrollers are actually pretty uninteresting as machines. They really just drive.
They just run over stuff.
Yeah.
About it.
Not very good battle construction vehicles. Are they? Not in real life. In this, they're apparently the best one you can have.
Apparently, the amount of damage is done.
In Japan, they're amazing. In Japan, they have 2 holes.
Shut up! I'm allowed to make a funny joke once. You're not allowed to repeat it. Get your own fucking material, dick.
It wasn't so much a joke as a very strange thing to say out of the blue. I'm getting fucking sick of this game.
Iron supplement.
Ah, you're a cube.
How's that?
Ah.
Ridiculous.
I'm still dying.
Somehow. Fucking hell, this is so boring.
I'm still dying. Every time I keep charging him, he keeps doing more damage. This is bullshit. Just kill him already. I'm bored.
Oh. Oh, it's getting fucking intense now.
Charge it then. What? No. Apparently.
Why?
Apparently he hit me. He beat your chest.
What just happened?
I think. I'm not quite sure, but I think I just threw the pad at the console. Yep, that's what happened.
Awesome.
Well.